What's up, ReelX fam? Get ready because we're diving headfirst into the news that matters, and it's coming at you at lightning speed. First up, get ready for the largest subsidy fraud trial ever in Greece, with 105 defendants accused of faking leases and swindling the EU out of thousands. This is huge. Next, we're asking the big question. Could buying Bitcoin right now actually set you up for life? We're breaking down the insane potential returns, the expert predictions from Cathie and Saylor, and whether this digital gold is truly the future of wealth. Then, hold on to your hats because the stock market is on fire. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq have just blasted through to new record HIGHS. We'll tell you what's driving this incredible surge and what it means for your investments. And finally, a massive deal is brewing in India as Tesla Group and SRAM and MRAM Group are set to build electric vehicle battery factories, potentially revolutionizing the EV market as we know it. You need to know about this. Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Greece's largest farm subsidy fraud trial set to begin. Get ready for a legal showdown as Greece prepares for what's being called the largest trial concerning farm subsidy fraud against the European Union, and the Greek Payment and Control Agency for Guidance and Guarantee Community Aid, OPEKPA. On September 22nd, 105 defendants are scheduled to appear before the misdemeanor court of Heraklion, accused of a massive scheme involving fake leases and forged documents to claim tens of thousands of euros in subsidies. Prosecutors allege that these defendants submitted fraudulent applications for land they never owned or cultivated, using fake lease contracts to trick the system. In some shocking cases, individuals managed to collect up to 60,000 euros despite red flags like frozen tax numbers. This trial highlights the ongoing challenge of safeguarding EU funds while ensuring the integrity of agricultural support programs, especially as OPEKPA has just extended deadlines for farmers to complete their subsidy paperwork. The stakes are incredibly high for Greece's agricultural sector this week. Don't go anywhere, because the financial world is about to get even crazier. Next, we're diving into the volatile world of cryptocurrency and asking if a simple Bitcoin purchase today could be your ticket to early retirement. Could buying Bitcoin today set you up for life? 10 years ago, Bitcoin was a fringe digital asset. Today, it's a potential fortune maker. Imagine investing just $1,000 a decade ago. It could now be worth over $469,000. The legendary two pizzas bought for 10,000 BTC back in 2010? They'd fetch a staggering $1.16 billion today. While some see a bubble, bulls like Cathie would predict prices soaring to $2.4 million by 2030, and Saylor eyes a mind-blowing $21 million by 2046. But can a fresh $1,000 investment today truly set you up for life? We're exploring Bitcoin's scarcity, its advantages over gold, and its role as a hedge against inflation. With the recent approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs making it more accessible than ever, and even talks of a strategic Bitcoin reserve, the institutional interest is undeniable. However, even reaching those ambitious price targets might not guarantee a set-for-life scenario without significant initial investment. Is Bitcoin the ultimate inflation hedge and wealth generator, or just another speculative bubble? But wait, there's more market madness to unpack. Get ready, because the stock market has just achieved something truly spectacular, hitting new all-time highs across the board. Dow, S&P 500, Nasdaq Shoot to new record highs. Get ready to celebrate because the U.S. stock market is on an unprecedented tier. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq Composite have all surged to fresh closing highs, marking a significant moment for investors. This rally comes hot on the heels of the Federal Reserve's decision to lower interest rates by a quarter point, with forecasts for further cuts. Investors appear to have shrugged off any lingering concerns, embracing a bullish outlook. Driving much of this excitement are chip stocks, particularly Intel, which is set to benefit from a massive $5 billion investment and partnership with NVIDIA. This collaboration aims to co-develop cutting-edge data center and PC products, a move analysts believe is a significant win for Intel and a positive, albeit incremental, development for NVIDIA. As investors digest Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's remarks, the sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with expectations of continued growth, especially in small caps and banks, alongside the AI-driven tech giants. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Next up, we're heading to India for a groundbreaking deal that could electrify the future of transportation. Tesla Group and SRAM and MRAM to set up EV battery factories in India. Get ready for a monumental shift in the electric vehicle landscape. Battery energy storage systems maker, Tesla Group, has joined forces with the London-based SRAM and MRAM Group in a staggering $1 billion agreement to establish electric vehicle battery factories. This ambitious plan involves setting up a total of 5 EV battery gigafactories within India, with an additional 15 facilities slated for other countries, including the US, Malaysia, Oman, Brazil, the UAE, and Cambodia. This collaboration is poised to create one of the largest battery manufacturing and storage supply chains for EVs globally. SRAM and MRAM Group will spearhead the acquisition of necessary approvals, grants, subsidies, and local partnerships, while Tesla Group will lead the design, engineering, and construction, ensuring a smooth rollout. This venture promises not only to build state-of-the-art factories, but also to foster sustainable energy communities worldwide, combining advanced BESS technology with global expertise. And that's just the beginning of our global news blitz. We've covered fraud, crypto fortunes, market records, and EV innovation. Now, let's wrap it all up and tell you how to stay plugged in. And that's a wrap on today's ReelX rundown. We saw Greece tackle a massive farm subsidy fraud trial, explored the life-changing potential of buying Bitcoin today, watched the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq shatter records, and witnessed a monumental EV battery factory deal in India. If you loved this rapid-fire news update, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to ReelX for more, hit the notification bell so you never miss out, leave a comment with your thoughts on these stories, and follow us on all our socials. We'll see you in the next one.